I wanna cut my hair again. Yep, we are doing this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Klara here and I am back with a new video. I'm going to cut my hair again. I couldn't wait so much longer. It's been, I think, about 3 months where I cut my hair to this viral butterfly haircut. This was pretty good haircut video. I can leave you the link below in the description, so don't forget to check this out. This haircut gave me so much layers actually in my hair, which is good, which I liked. But it didn't really shorten my length. My hair is now pretty long, you know, it's getting a little bit too long to my taste, or it's also breaking. So I would like to, cut about maybe 5 or 10 centimeters. Let's see. My hair actually grows fast, so I'm always, trying new stuff. I found this technique. I haven't tried this technique yet, so as always we are trying this first time together, so it might be not perfect, but like, to me, I don't really care about hair that much because I have long hair, I have strong hair, my hair is growing, fast always, so I feel like my hair adjusts to the cut, and at the end it doesn't look that bad, at least to me. There are much bigger problems in the world. So yeah, let's just do that. I wanted to mention that I found this haircut and they were doing it on a dry hair, so don't come for me again that I'm doing it on the dry hair. I think if you have, curly hair, it's of course better do it on a wet hair, but my hair is straight, so that will be better for this type of haircut to do it like this. And guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. It will really help to grow my channel, and then I can make more and more videos for you. And let's just do it. For today's video we are going to need some rubber bands. I got lots of rubber bands. Then we are going to need some comb, to separate the hair. I have here also my big one. And then we are going to, of course, need some very good scissors, because my hair is thick. I need very sharp scissors, so hopefully it will play in our cards today. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush my hair. So the hair is nicely brushed. I put it to the hairstyle where I'm usually wearing it, so in the middle. And I'm going to make a ponytail down here in the behind. So I'm using the first rubber band. And I'm going to make sure it is tight and in the place. Like this. Then I'm going to use the second rubber band and put it lower. Then I'm going to take the third rubber band and, put it lower, below it. And when you put the hair to the front, because of the rubber bands, it should stay in the place. And when you cut it, it should be straight actually. So, I saw the videos, they were cutting it, over the rubber bands, but then it was pretty choppy. So, because the sections are pretty big, my hair is, thick, so I have there lots of hair. So I'm thinking actually to cut it below the rubber band, so I can, easily take smaller parts. Okay, now I'm getting nervous, guys. So yeah, I think really I will cut about this much, like this. I don't know. I'm getting nervous. At the end, I'm always getting nervous actually. Let's just do it, no? There's lots of hair. Okay. Ooh. It's done. And then we can, you know, try to a little bit make it straight. My hair is actually not so long, I cannot even see it. Okay, so now we are going to remove the rubber bands and we are going to check the length. You should know that now the hair will be slightly curved, but we will fix that. I will show you how. There is, you know, it's not perfect yet. There is this curve, so we are going to fix that. It's also going, you know, a little bit to the front. Here in the front it is longer. So the next, what we are going to do, I'm going to brush the hair real quick, and then we are going to separate the hair. So in the middle and in the middle behind, in the back. Hopefully it is the middle. I cannot see that, but it feels like it. These two sections we are also going to separate, so we will have at the end 4 sections. And then the other side. Really tight so it doesn't move. Yeah, like this. And you can see it is like choppy at the ends. The tricky situation is that I don't have mirror like here, I cannot see. Like here it's way too long, so I would go there like this and try to, you know, even it to be straight and the same everywhere. We will trust the process. I think it's looking good, it will end up good. See how here it is choppy? Yeah, we will try to fix that like this. Hopefully it doesn't look even worse, you know. Yeah, let's see. But look at it. it takes a little bit patience, and yeah, it's starting looking better. I don't mind when it's a little bit, you know, to the front. Let's see, we have to then adjust it actually with the rest of the hair. So you can see now this here is also shorter. So I'm going to actually do the same with this part. 90 degrees cuts in the hair. So see how now it's looking, I think, better. I have actually no idea, guys. I hope it's looking better. But the girl, I saw the video, she had actually a very long hair, so she could do just this, you know, and see everything. Like, I can't see shit. Help, send help. We have to see if it's really, you know, at least the same length. Let's just open the hair and then we can see again what is going on there, and if it's not straight we will continue doing the same thing actually, and hopefully we will get there. You can see here. Now I'm going to try it, put it in 2 pieces like this, because I think it shows me also the choppy places. And I feel like also always my hair is thick and straight, so I feel like when I cut my hair it looks every time like choppy. But then when I wash it, it's immediately sit, you know, in the place. I don't know if you know what I mean. But yeah, for example, in the last video, some people were commenting, yeah, it looks so choppy, blah blah blah, whatever. It's true looking back on the video, but then when I washed actually my hair again, and when the hair sits with the time, then it's somehow, you know, sit and doesn't look that choppy. If it makes sense. It's not perfect, of course. I wasn't counting on perfection. What is perfect, you know, tell me. Is something perfect? So I would say, wow, we got it like 10 centimeters. Yeah. My hair is everywhere, it's itching. I feel like we have the same length. I am done for now. I feel like I could fix it, you know, a little bit all the time. But yeah, I feel it did its job. I will show you from behind. So this is how it looks. I think it's not bad. It's a little bit choppy, but I feel like my hair will adjust it. I would say this is the pretty cool way to, you know, try to achieve very straight results. And as I said also before, with some practice you will get, you know, better and better. This was the first time. Maybe some people can comment they can do it even with the closed eyes better. Good for you. I'm happy for you. You know, this is how I did it. And yeah, my hair feels very good. I am thinking about coloring my hair because it's getting, you know, a little bit brassy and the roots are grown out. So stick around if you like type of those videos. And guys, really don't forget to subscribe because it really helps to grow my channel and to motivate me to create more videos. You know, have a great day, have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.